हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। इस चैनल में आप सब लोगों को स्वागत है। इन दिस चैनल आई विल बी गिव यू द क्वेश्चन पे पीवाई के क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ बीएससी फिजिक्स बरहमपुर यूनिवर्सिटी। दैट इज पेपर इज 6th semester examination, that is nanomaterials and application. This nanomaterial and application will be have, this is DSC paper 3 discipline specific paper, that is our nanomaterials, that is our group A paper. In this question paper 1 into 12, this is consist of 80 marks. Listen carefully, देखो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है। Two dimensions are reduced to nano range, keeping the third one larger than, and resulting nanostructure is this one. This is unit 2. And excitation of exciton is electrically dash. This is exciton is electrically dash. पूछा है। Then electric length is also electric length is dash by material. This is also important part. Then property of this property of nanomaterials are generally dependent on quantum size effect. This question also, the number of states that have some energy is called this type of energy level. This is also important. Then उसके बाद पूछा है example of top down bottom down approach. Then पूछा है CDS and DBDS. Then पूछा है कि HRTM क्या है पूछा है। Then single CD can store this much automation. SWCNT single window carbon nanotube पूछा है। Then optical microscopy पूछा है। Magnification पूछा है। What is quantum size effect पूछा है। Then पूछा है top down approach and synthesis of the materials पूछा है। Then उसके बाद पूछा है photolithography पूछा है। Characteristics feature of the sputtering पूछा है। And then CDV processing to the, this is very important questions, very easy questions they are. Then molecular beam epitaxy पूछा है कि MBE, this is important. Then limitation of the optical microscopy, nano dot LED. Then पूछा है hetero junctions. Then पूछा है hetero junctions. Then discuss the low dimensional materials. This is also important. Then 1D 2D and 3D materials पूछा है। Then उसके बाद पूछा है give the application of the nanowires, ball milling process, synthesis of nanoparticles. Then पूछा है quantum dots and then the uses, principle of singleton electron devices. Then पूछा है कि application of NEMS. Then process of OD conversions, comparison of CNT carbon nanotube FET with convert total FET. This is also important. application of STM पूछा है। Then उसका पूछा है what do you mean by scale state, discuss the explain the exciton Bohr radius and de Broglie wavelength पूछा है। Then पूछा है what do you mean quantum confinement and zero energy state. Then पूछा है discuss the hydrothermal synthesis and nano structure materials which gives advantages and disadvantages पूछा है। Then उसके पूछा है nano wave, then give the advantages and disadvantages पूछा है। Then उसके बाद पूछा X-ray diffraction techniques and nanoparticles पूछा है। Then उसके बाद transmission electron microscopy पूछा है। Then उसके बाद पूछा है CNT based transistor, describe the CNT parallel CNT. Then पूछा है MEMS, discuss the fabrication application. This is all about the question PYQ questions. Before go to exam, please revise it from KP. Kalyani Publications. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share it. Please, thank you.